Welcome to Geetu's Home Kitchen Experiences. Do you have any leftover rice from your last meal? Then what are you waiting for? Let's turn it into ice cream magic. So I have used basmati rice. I had some plain cooked basmati rice. You may use any rice but ensure it is unsalted. I've taken 1.5 cup, blend it with a little over 1/2 cup water and puree it. So I have pureed the rice. From 1.5 cup of plain cooked steamed rice, I have got 1.5 cup of puree, rice puree. I'm going to add this to a thick bottom pan. You can see it is a nice smooth puree. Now I have added the puree. I'm going to use unrefined sugar. I will be adding 4 teaspoons and a little 1/2 teaspoon more of unrefined sugar. You can use any sugar that is available with you. And I'm going to prepare chocolate flavor today. So I have cacao powder with me. I'm going to add 4 teaspoons of cacao powder. If you don't have cacao powder, you can use 50 grams of chocolate bar, melt it and add it to this rice puree. And I've already in the meanwhile kept another big pan with water in it, boiling, allowing it to boil so that we can make a double boiler arrangement for this. I'm going to nicely mix this all up and place it into the double boiler arrangement. You can see the water is already hot. I have left it on medium to high flame and I'm going to cook this on this double boiler. Just need to stir it a little to ensure that the heat is evenly distributed. So you don't need to vigorously keep stirring it. Remember this, we are using pre-cooked rice, so it takes only 4 minutes for the mixture to get really hot and cooked well. And here you can see by putting my finger in, I'm trying to check the heat. It's quite hot and I'll just need 4 minutes. It's been 4 minutes. It looks nice and hot. I'm going to just put my finger in and check. Yes, it's done. Our mixture is ready. I am going to add 2 teaspoons of honey because this really enhances the flavor. It is optional. If you're going to use chocolate bar, then adjust the sugar right from the beginning accordingly to help with your taste. I'm going to stir this in nicely, allow this mixture to cool before I add it to a airtight container and freeze it. So I have cooled the mixture. I'm going to add it into this container. Now this will give you approximately 250 ml of chocolate ice cream. And friends, you've seen it's so easy. It just took me 5 minutes in total to finish the whole procedure. Kids will love it. And if you have heart patients or diabetics at home, you can give them as well. It's a guilt-free treat for all. So this is 5 hours of freezing. I'm going to scoop out and show you how it looks. It really feels creamy. Friends, do try this recipe because it's really yummy and creamier than the most creamiest ice cream you've had. And so quick. You can even do it for a party when you have no other options. You can try this quick, easy dessert for your guests too. So if you have liked this rice to ice cream magic, please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon below for future notifications. Thank you.